equations, the system of equations can be written in the form Ax is equal to B. First step, the given system of equations can be written in the form Ax is equal to B. The find out A matrix, X matrix and B matrix. First of all, let A is equal to what? Coefficient matrix. So all coefficients, first equation write in the first row, second equation second row, third equation third row. So 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. What is the variable matrix? X matrix. X is always same, x, y, z. What is the constant matrix? The constant matrix is 8, 1, 4. This is the constant matrix. First of all, you have to calculate determinant of A. Determinant of A. How to find the determinant of A? This is expanding method. Plus, minus, plus. Next 3 into delete the corresponding row and corresponding row will be removed. So 2 into 1, 2 minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, minus 3 minus into minus plus. So 2 minus 3. Next minus of minus, this is minus into minus 2, minus of minus into minus plus 2 into, this is plus 2 into the corresponding row and corresponding column, remove the remaining 2 by 2 matrix. 2 into 2, 4 minus of minus 4 minus of minus 4. Next plus 3 into the corresponding, this is corresponding column and corresponding row, the remaining 2 by 2 matrix determinant. What is the 2 by 2 matrix? Remaining 2 by 2 matrix, 2, 1, 4 minus 3. So 2 into minus 3, minus 6 minus 4. So that is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3 into minus 10. So that is equal to minus 3 plus 16 minus 30, 14. Minus 14, so minus 17, this is not equal to 0. So minus 17. Minus 17 not equal to 0 means, for determinant of a not equal to 0 means this is consistent or inconsistent? Consistent unique solution. So if determinant of a not equal to 0, then inverse exists. Okay, determinant equal to 0, inverse of matrix does not exist. So determinant of A not equal to 0, so inverse exists. Hence A is not equal to 0 means what? Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. So A is a non-singular matrix. So its inverse exists. Its inverse exists. This is the first step number 1, find out determinant of A. The next step is adjoint A. Next second step number 2, adjoint A. How to find out adjoint A? Cofactors. The transpose of cofactors of the matrix is called the adjoint A. So cofactors, so adjoint A. This is next procedure. So A adjoint A. First to A. A is equal to 3 minus 2, 3, 2, 1 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 2. This is A11, A12. Okay. A13. So plus, minus, plus. Okay, listen carefully. A11, A12, A13. First row, first element, first row, second element, first row, third element. This is first plus, so minus, so plus. So A21 plus, so this is minus. A22 plus. A23 minus next to A31 plus A32 minus A33 plus. Okay, first capital A11, first of all the cofactor of small a11 is capital A11. The cofactor of small a11 small a11 ki cofactor capital A1. How to find out capital A1? Minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor M11 minor. It directly you have to find out directly. Okay, you can find directly. So this is 1 means minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. Minor means the corresponding row and the corresponding column remove after the 2 by 2 matrix. Determinant of 1 minus 1 minus 3 2. Listen carefully. Minor, each element in the matrix, each element minor in the matrix A. This is first matrix element. A11 minor cofactor. Cofactor nothing but capital A. The formula minus 1 whole power I plus j into M11. So what is the minor? Minor is only that element corresponding column, corresponding row deleted after the remaining 2 by 2 matrix determinant A. Determinant is called minor. So minus 1 whole power I plus j means I is a column, that position A11 element position, which row which column, first row first column, minus 1 whole power I plus 1. So that is equal to minus 1 whole power minus 1 whole square into this is 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 whole square is equal to plus 1 and 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 is equal to 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So next, okay, clear? The main thing is in the 5 marks problem, the main thing is adjoint A. Next, A12, capital A12, capital A1 position minus 1, okay, minus 1, this is corresponding column and row deleted. 2 minus 1 4 2, 2 minus 1 4 2, that is equal to minus 8, 2 into 2 4, 4 minus of minus 1 8, okay. Next, A13 is equal to position plus 1 3 1 3 3, the corresponding column row deleted, remaining 2 1 4 minus 3, 2 1 4 minus 3, 2 1 4 minus 3. So that is equal to plus into minus 6 minus 4, so that is equal to minus 10. Next to A21 position is minus, this is A21 position minus the corresponding row and column, remaining minus 2 3 minus 3 2, minus 2 3 minus 3 2 minus 3 2. So that is equal to minus of minus 4, minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 9, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 2 plus 9, minus 4 plus 9 minus 5. So next to A21 position plus A21, this is A22 position, this is the corresponding column, corresponding row deleted, remaining 3 3 4 2, 3 3 4 2. So that is equal to 3 into 2 6 minus 12, that is equal to minus 6. Next, A23 minus A23, this is A23 corresponding row and corresponding column removed After that 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So that is equal to minus of 3 into 3. Okay, corresponding column 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. 3 into minus 3, minus 9 plus 8. That is equal to 1. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Minus 2 into 4, minus 8. Minus of minus 8 plus 8. Next to A31. A31 position plus A31. This is A31. The A31 corresponding row, corresponding column. Remaining minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1. Okay. Minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1. 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. Next A32. A32 position. A32 means which one? A32, this is A32, the corresponding column and row, this one. So remaining 3, 3, 2 minus 1. 3, 3, 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus of 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 6, that is equal to 9. The last one is A33. A33 position plus A33 is equal to, this is A33, the corresponding column and row. Deleted 3 minus 2, 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 2, 1. So that is equal to 3 into 1, 3. Minus of minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. A11 is equal to minus 1, A12 minus 8, A13 minus 10, A21 minus 5, A22 minus 6, A23 1, A31 minus 1, A32 9, A33 7. This is only cofactors. Next, adjoint A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 whole transpose. Cofactors, adjoint A is equal to cofactors transpose. So first, what is the A11? A11 value is minus 1, A12 minus 8, A13 minus 10, next A21 minus 5, A22 minus 6, A23 1, A31 minus 1, A32 9, A33 7 whole transpose. The transpose means interchange the rows and or columns. So first the row convert into column. Minus 1, minus 8, minus 10 row can be written in the column type. So second row minus 5, minus 6, 1. Third row minus 1, 9, 7. Okay. So adjoint A is equal to minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1, 7. This is adjoint A. So next A inverse is equal to adjoint A by det A. Adjoint A by det A means det A value minus 17. So 1 by minus 17 into minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1, 7. This is A inverse. So A inverse okay kada? Next, what is the form? Ax is equal to B. That implies x is equal to A inverse into B. Actually x is what? Variable matrix. X is what? Variable matrix. Solve means what? Solve means find out x, y, z values. Find out x, y, z values. So, x is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 17 into this A inverse minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 8 minus 6 9 minus 10 1 7 into B. B matrix. What is B matrix? 8 1 4. B matrix 8 1 4. First of all, this is 3 by 3 matrix. This is 3 by 1 matrix. 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows, 1 column. So, into A inverse into B exists. So, what is the X matrix? X matrix of order 3 by 1. No. 3 by 1 andre A1 1, A2 1, A2 1, A3 1. This is first row, first first row of first one, second row first column, third row first one. This is 3 1. Okay. So A11 means what? A11 means so first row first column. A11 is nothing but first row first column. So rows are always will take from matrix, first matrix. In the second matrix always take from columns. Always take columns from the second matrix. Okay. From the first matrix rows, second matrix only columns. A11. This is rows and column. Multiply corresponding element. Minus 1 into 8 minus 8. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Next, second one. 2 1. 2 1 means second row, first column. Minus 8 into 8 minus 64. Minus 6 into 1 minus 6. 9 into 4 36. In between plus. Minus 8 minus 10 into 8. This is minus 1 by 17. Minus 1 by 17 into minus 10 into 8 minus 80. 1 into 1 1. 7 into 4 28. So that is equal to a minus 8 minus 5 minus 12 minus 13 minus 17. Next minus 64 minus 6 minus 70 minus 70 plus 36. So 34 plus 34 plus 34 plus 34 or minus 34 minus 64 minus 60 minus 70 is minus 34. Next 1 plus 28 29. 80 minus 8 plus 29, that is equal to 51 minus 51. Minus 1 by 17 minus 1 common. So finally, what is the X matrix? Minus 1 by 17 into minus 17 minus 34 minus 51. So that is equal to multiply each element by the number minus 1 by 17. So minus into minus plus 17 by 17, minus into minus plus 34 by 17, minus into minus plus 51 by 17. So that is equal 17 by 17 1, 34 by 17 2, 51 by 17 3. So x small x is equal to 1, small y is equal to 2, small z is equal to 3. So xy values is correct or not? You have to check. How to check? Substitute x, y, z values in the given linear equations. In the given linear equations. What are they? Given linear equations. For example, check out how to check x, y, z values are correct or not. It is easy to check. How to check? 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8. You have to substitute in the x is equal to 1. So 3 into 1 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 8. 3 into 1 is equal to 3 minus 4 plus 9 is equal to 8. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 is equal to 8. Not only first equation, second equation also will satisfy, third equation also we have to satisfy. All three equations are satisfied, so that value, if satisfy the both equations, not only single equation. Okay, we have to satisfy first, second, third. So the three equations are satisfied means that x, y, z values are exactly 100% correct. ఏంటి? Okay, this is the very important topic. So for example, the next we have any doubt or any adjoint, or if we have to find out adjoint or inverse or anything we have to doubt means, tomorrow I will explain once again I will explain, okay, the next problem, next type of model problem. Okay, so don't feel about that the problem. So tomorrow I will explain once again another problem. So today only what we have to doubt, where we have doubt. Okay, okay, this is very important one. This is for example problem. We have to try in exercise problems, so more problems are there, we have to try. Okay, okay, tomorrow I will explain once again. So this is the problem. Thank you.